How to create a new expense category in QuickBooks. I've just logged into my QuickBooks account, and from the top right corner, we just want to click on Gear. Once we have clicked on the gear icon, you will see chart of accounts here under your company. So just select this option here, chart of accounts, and then we will click on new, and it will load up a new account page. If we want to create a new account or expense category, we'll click on account type here, and I'm simply going to begin typing out expense, and you will be able to locate this near the end. So we can do other expense or expenses. So I'll just click on expenses here, and we will have to select the detail type. So what type of expense is this? So we can do bad debts, we can do finance costs, insurance, interest paid. So let's do finance costs here, and we will have to set a name as well as a description. And if this is a sub account, then we can choose the parent account here. But basically, after you have typed out this information, we will click on save and close, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.